It's like third attempt. Alright, so battery's hooked up. Coolant for somewhat after it circulates. So, yeah. So I gotta do a couple things, but that's okay. We will see if we catch fire or not. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Alrighty guys, working on the CRX again. Rule number 1. Never like leave something halfway done and then proceed. Never leave anything halfway done and then proceed. Here's why. You see that? That's the fan. Radiator. The hose. The battery plate. Why? Because I forgot. I didn't know if I did or not put the clamp on it. Look, I didn't. And from the underneath, I couldn't really get to it. So, yeah. Did a little backtrack. So, yeah. Already got gas. Put some gas. And I bought a little tire pump. So, yeah. We'll see if it runs today. So, yeah. New battery. New better posts. A new wire from the fuse to the battery positive post. You ask, why is this out here? Why is the alternator wire and connector over here? Well, let me show you why. You see it? You see it? And then you know why your car doesn't start. Guys, this is not a way of doing this type of work. But I asked myself, is this why my car doesn't start? I doubt it. But I can tell you, this isn't making a good connection. Because it was 12 there. 0 there. So, at least there. But, is that why? I don't know. We're going to correct it though. Because, yeah, we're about to tear apart all this tape. All the way up there. And change this wire. So, yeah. Alrighty guys, so chasing down this cable, this white one, took off. I literally pulled all the whole harness in. That right there is the ground to the thermostat, and these two right here are for the distributor. I believe this is for temp sensor, the fan. Can't remember. Or coolant, maybe, I don't know. One of those two. Yeah. I did all this because of that one wire. Where is it now? I don't know. Oh, it's over there. Way down there, next to the, yeah. So, had to tear apart all this just to get to that wire. Oh, there it is. You see it?